Hi and hello to the tabletop review of my Victorinox Swisstool Plus. The model is 53924 and it comes in a box. What we have in the box is some literature. This is the manual, the user's guide. It says 23 main tools and without a plus tools and some different models of Victorinox. Also we have the Victorinox lifetime warranty, which is great. The sheet, it is nylon, heavy duty nylon sheet. And it snaps with Velcro, has a belt loop, and the Victorinox logo. Very nice stitching, by the way. The main tool, first thing that you notice of the Victorinox Swisstool, it's how shiny is it. It is mirror polished, and as I say mirror polished, it's literally a mirror. You can use it as a mirror. Like, you see the reflection of my watch, you can use the signal mirror or wherever the situation is. It's highly corrosion resistant because of this mirror polish. The pliers are kind of big. It's actually a big multi-tool. You can see it on my hand. It's a heavy duty multi-tool, and it's not exactly needle nose. Those are wider pliers. It has soft wire and hard wire cutters. This can be used for nuts and bolts. It's very easy to open and close, and very sturdy. First tool I want to draw your attention to, it's a metal file with metal cutter. I don't know if you can see it here. Every single tool locks into place with individual spring locking mechanism. You have to press this button to put it back to place, and it locks again. This is a small flat screwdriver. This is a big Phillips head screwdriver. Notice how thick it is. Sorry. A puncher. This is a serrated edge knife. Very sharp. This is the factory edge. On the other side we have very aggressive wood saw. I've used it a couple of times and I can say it's the greatest saw I ever used. It's very quick. It will go deep in the wood, like 1-2 inches wood. It will cut it in no time. Can opener and small flat screwdriver. You can see all the springs here that lock. Bottle opener, bigger flathead screwdriver, and wire bender here. This is a chisel and it's quite sharp, and the wire strippers here. A pry bar. It's a very good one. I used it a couple of times. It does a great job and it's very solid. It can also be used as a huge flat screwdriver. And the main penknife, also very sharp. As you notice, probably there are two holes here. You're gonna attach a lanyard, but they're used with this tool, which is a bottle opener, wine bottle opener, and there's something here. It's very small flathead screwdriver you can fix your glasses with. I wear glasses and this is very handy for me to have. The wine bottle opener fixes here, and there you go. It also has this the metric system in centimeters and the imperial one in inches. You can do the 90 degrees angle, or you can use it as a ruler. This way imperial, this way metric. Great tool. It also comes with these bits, different screwdrivers. This is magnetic, that fits in here. It comes with 6. You can add 4 more. I have one here I added recently. It's great when you need them. So this was the tabletop review of my Victorinox Swisstool Plus. In conclusion, I can say it's a great tool, great multi-tool, probably the best I ever seen and used. Thanks for watching the review of my Victorinox Swisstool.